Hi, I'm Jackie Jackson from Jackie Buys Homes. Have you been trying to sell your house and it's just sitting on the market? I mean, you got the sign out in the front, the house is clean, it looks good, but for some reason it's not selling, right? So 30 days has gone by. 60 days have gone by, 90 days, 120 days have gone by, and your property is not selling. During that entire period of time, what's happening? You are paying mortgages, you're paying taxes, you're paying maintenance, you're paying utilities. I mean, you can't show houses in the dark, can you? I know. And all of that money adds up, doesn't it? And all you want to do is just move on with your life and just sell the house. Well, guess what? There is an answer, and it's called talking to a real estate investor. So, real estate investors, what can we do? I know we're a little bit different, all right? So, we're not the average buyer, obviously, but what we do offer are solutions that are untraditional, that traditional buyers can't offer you. All right. So sometimes speaking to a real estate investor is actually one of the best things that you can do, because we provide consultative services as well as educate you on what your property is really worth and why it's really not selling. All right. So you owe it to yourself to at least talk to a real estate investor. You can call me. I can give you a free analysis for your home, whether it's listed or it's not. So there it is. This one's listed right here, which is fine. But we will never infringe on your relationship and your agreement with your real estate agent. So that's first and foremost. But what we do is give you options. So if you would like to speak with me, anyone on my team, all you have to do is go to Jackie Buys Homes, JackieBuysHomes.com, or you can contact me directly at 321-209-2721. That's 321-209-2721. We know that sometimes situations happen. People go through divorce. You might even have just received a new job and you have to move in this beautiful house like this. You never intended on actually moving out of it. And now you're faced with a decision that, oh my gosh, I have to now move out of my house that I never really wanted to. That was supposed to be like your forever house. And now here it is, vacant, and you're paying for it, right? So 321-209-2721 is our direct line here at our office. And we would love to talk to you and see how we can help you, get your house sold. We'll make you an offer.